Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we're going to show a programming of WH0D6 cap. Let's go and open up the box. For the first step, you require part 2, part 3, 22 part A's. You'll also need a Phillips screwdriver or a power tool. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require parts 4, parts 5, and 22 parts A. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require previous assemblies, boards 2, 3, 4, and 5. Also, 4 part B, 4 part C, our lockers and our wooden dials. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require a previous assembly, boards 2 and 4 that we just assembled. Also, 3 parts 9, 1 part 10, 8 part B, the lockers. Let's assemble. Okay, please note, when assembling part 10, you'll see there's only one side. Make sure it faces up towards the others. For the next step, you require 6 part 8 and 6 part D. Let's assemble. For the next step, in your previous assembly, 6 part 8, our previous assembly of parts 4 and 2, and also 8 parts B. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 2 part 7, the back boards, and 1 part 6. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require previous assembly, also previous assembly of parts 5 and 3, and 20 part B, the lockers. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 1 part 6, 4 part C. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require part 1, 4 part A's, 4 part B's. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require parts 12, 13, 14, 15, and 24 parts E. Let's assemble. We'll be doing this another 5 times. Let's go ahead. For the next step, we need 6 parts 11, 24 parts A, 24 parts B. Let's assemble. This is a repeating step. We'll be doing it for the rest of the 5. For the next step, we'll be fitting in the drawers. For the next step, we require 16 part F. Let's assemble. For the next step, You require part G, the anti-tipping. Please refer to our manual on how to install. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching the process assembly of our WH06 decab. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our process assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.